3, 2, 1.
So on Tuesday I attended an information evening where I decided my choices for Year 9. For example, there was a workshop up in the library. I spoke to my teachers. One of my teachers was Mr. Birchall, where I decided between computer science or IT. He recommended me IT. Personally, I prefer IT better, so that's what I'll go with. Also, we had to pick between product design, engineering and food tech. I'm going to go with product design because that's what I enjoy.
The week before was Careers Week, where we talked about our different subjects that we'll be doing for Gcse and the subtopics and subjects that will split into different topics. One of them was product design. It covered all three topics, so engineering, food tech and product design, and it just covered everything we need to know for GCSE and Year 9. And then for English, it was the same thing, and we learned how English will be split into literacy and language. And one of my questions that I asked was, what is the most effective way to revise for English GCSE to help strengthen my confidence with English as GCSE?
As you can see from the slides here, the Year 9 Foundation programme will consist of a core programme of subjects alongside an option in each of the different pathways: technology, languages, DT and creative arts. Students and parents have been provided with teacher recommendations for each of the pathways to support with making their decisions. Students have to choose one option from each of the pathways. They cannot select two options from one pathway, for example. The deadline for the submission of their choices is Wednesday, the 30th of March, and we look forward to seeing what they decide. In Year 10, students will start their GCSE courses. In a similar way to Year 9, this will also consist of a core programme and options in different pathways with a wider selection of subjects to choose from. The core programme will consist of English, which will move to English language and English literature, maths, science, which will move to triple or combined, which will be decided later in Year 10, and there will also be three core options: computer science or IT, continued from Year 9, a humanities option of geography or history, and a languages option of French or Spanish, also continued through from Year 9. We expect all students to continue these subjects as part of the English Baccalaureate set of qualifications. These are the set of subjects that keep options open for further study and future careers. Students will then select two options from each of the pathways. However, we have a while until these decisions need to be made. For now, Year 8 need to consider their next steps for their Year 9 foundation year, and we will provide more information for Year 10 next year.